Okay, hello ICT11. Again, welcome to CSS and C2. Okay, this is the second part of our course. Ano? So, we will be installing an operating system gamit ang VirtualBox. Okay, so before that, bago pa na siya i-set up. Okay, so I have already installed my virtual machine. I'll just open it. Okay, dito sa virtual machine natin, if you're going to install an operating system, first, gumawa muna tayo ng file. Okay, file niya. Paano gumawa yon? Just click niya new. Okay, then I'll just label it as CSS and C2 Win7. Ayan. So, Win7. So, Windows 7 kasi yung install natin. Then, after that, yung type natin is yung Microsoft Windows. Ano? So, version is Windows 7. 64-bit architecture tayo. Okay, meron tayong dalawang architecture pagdating sa operating system. Meron tayong 64-bit and 32-bit. Okay, now, I want you to differentiate the two. Okay, the 32-bit architecture and 64-bit architecture. Alright? Okay, then after that, after you select the 64-bit, sometimes kasi if you install the virtual machine, uh, you can't find any architecture, you cannot find architecture for 64-bit. Sometimes 32-bit lang siya. But then, it's fine kasi ang binigay ko namang OS sa inyo is for 64-bit and 32-bit. Alright? Okay, then just click next. Okay, dito sa part na to, dito tayo magsiset ng memory. Alright? So, memory ng ating computer. Okay? Virtual computer or virtual machine. Okay? So, as per standard or okay naman sa requirements ng Windows 7, 2 gigabytes ako. Okay? But then, before that, I need additional questions. The second question is, if you're going to install an operating system which have a 64-bit architecture, specifically for Windows 7, what are the requirements? Okay, for a machine for you to able to install it on your computer. Okay, let's proceed again. Okay, so this I set the 2 gigabyte space for my RAM, for the memory of my computer, and I'll just click next. Then after that, just as it is, create a virtual hard disk now. Then I'll just click create. Okay, VDI or VirtualBox disk this image because yung binigay ko sa inyong file is .iso file. Okay, parang compressed file siya. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, yung properties niya siya, .iso yung extension file niya. Okay, kung .iso file siya, tapos kung OS yung file, then eventually, we call it as an image. Okay? Ano ulit ang extension file ng isang operating system na compress? Okay? Okay, then after that, I'll just click next. Dynamically allocated. Ibig sabihin, magbabago-bago siya. Then just click next, ano? Okay, dito naman sa area nito, file location and size. Alright, so ang set kong hard disk naman natin is 32 GB. So, hindi naman ganun kalaki yung system requirements na need natin sa Windows 7. Ano? So, 32 GB is enough. Okay, so don't over size your storage capacity pagdating sa computer just because baka hindi kayanin ng computer niyo. Okay, huwag kayong lalagpas sa kung anong memory ang meron ng computer. Okay, or even hard disk. Okay, then I'll just click create, then start. Okay, so I have here already my file, which is naka-off pa siya, naka-turn off. Alright, so before we start kanina, ano yung clinic kong button for us to start or to create a new file like this. Okay? Okay, then after that, I'll just I'll make sure that I selected the correct file that I'm going to turn on. Yeah, then I'll just click start or right click then start. It's fine. Ayan. Normal start if you want. Yun naman talaga. Diba? Okay, with this area, with this section, we are going to select the uh, OS. Okay, the image file. Okay, so yung file na binigay sa inyo. Alright, so i-click lang natin ito, yung choose a virtual optical disk file. I-click lang natin. Okay, then eventually, hahanapin natin yung image file ng Windows 7 natin. Okay, so on my scenario, I have here my schoolworks folder, 2022. Meron akong grades, may grading sheet, PSD, Windows 7, Windows Server 2008 R2. Okay, so Windows 7 tsaka 2008 R2 kasi, para sa server natin, ang i-install kasi natin. Pero for now, this is for the installation of Windows 7 EIO. Okay, then I'll just click Windows 7 EIO, then I'll just click open. Okay, as you can see, we already selected the Windows 7 AIO .iso, yung image file natin for Windows 7. AIO, bakit nga ba AIO? All-in-one kasi siya. Okay, so malalaman nyo mamaya kung bakit all-in-one. Okay, after ko ma-click or ma-select yung file, then automatically, magtutuloy na siya dito sa may installation niya. Okay, so installation process ng ating pag-install ng Windows 7. Alright, so I want you to summarize the steps on how I start to create the file for the Windows 7 installation. Alright, so if you have other concerns, clarifications, just direct message me. Have a good day.